Chicken tikka masala is a popular Indian dish that features marinated chicken cooked in a creamy, tomato-based sauce. Here's a recipe to make chicken tikka masala at home. Ingredients. For the chicken tikka: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1/2 cup plain yogurt. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Salt to taste. Wooden skewers, optional. For the sauce: 2 tablespoons oil or ghee. 1 medium onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1 can, 14.5 ounces, diced tomatoes. 1 cup heavy cream. Salt and pepper to taste. Chopped cilantro for garnish. Instructions. 1. To make the chicken tikka, mix together the yogurt, lemon juice, garlic, ginger, cumin, coriander, turmeric, paprika, cayenne pepper, and salt in a bowl. Add the chicken pieces and toss to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour, or up to overnight. 2. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for at least 30 minutes before using to prevent them from burning in the oven. 3. Thread the marinated chicken pieces onto the skewers and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and slightly charred. 4. While the chicken is cooking, prepare the sauce. Heat the oil or ghee in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the onion, garlic, and ginger and cook until the onion is soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. 5. Add the cumin, coriander, turmeric, paprika, and cayenne pepper to the skillet and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. 6. Add the diced tomatoes and their juice to the skillet and stir to combine. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the sauce has thickened and the tomatoes have broken down. 7. Stir in the heavy cream and season with salt and pepper to taste. Add the cooked chicken pieces to the skillet and stir gently to coat them with the sauce. 8. Cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes or until the chicken is heated through and the sauce has thickened to your liking. 9. Serve the chicken tikka masala hot, garnished with chopped cilantro and accompanied by rice or naan bread. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken tikka masala.